I have been working at Breeze Thru Car Wash for about 4 years now, and 2 months as well. My average day at Breeze Thru would be helping customers with services, guiding customers in through the car wash. I also have the honor of being a part of the maintenance team. I love being a part of the maintenance team because I also get to work with all the equipment that's either down or we just need to fix. It's a great family-oriented career job for anybody, but for me it feels really good to just be with the employees because they make my day better. Breeze Thru has definitely prepared me for my future since I started. I definitely learned a lot with Breeze Thru, how to be responsible, how to be a lot more organized, and to be more mature in my life as well. Being a part of Breeze Thru Car Wash itself, you can definitely grow from being a regular CSA to being an assistant manager to being a site manager to running your own site, and then you can go up from there. They definitely give you lots of opportunities at Breeze Thru Car Wash. It's not just staying and doing one thing. They definitely work with you. They work with your schedule and they make it pretty easy for you. Like, I still have fun at Breeze Thru regardless. Everybody's silly, everybody's whimsical, the workplace is wonderful, so yeah.